TeacherTube and PollEverywhere by Rachel Hampton, Sarah McIntosh, Di Schaus, and Bailey Wofford. Our website of choice was TeacherTube, and the app we chose was PollEverywhere. Our mini lesson topic was about psychology and memories. The areas of collaboration were psychology, English, art, and family and consumer science.
TeacherTube is a video sharing website that is similar to YouTube. It's YouTube for teachers. Educational resources such as videos, documents, photos, and blogs can be shared through this website. The site contains educational resources for K through 12 and even college level. TeacherTube makes a point to upload relevant videos and resources. Let's head over and check it out. Now that we're on TeacherTube, we can search for psychology and memory. A list of videos will pop up, and we're going to select the first one. When it pops up, you'll have to watch a brief little ad. And afterwards, you can press play and start educating them children.
Now we'll talk about our app. PollEverywhere is an app available on mobile devices as well as through a web browser. It can be created and controlled from a computer or inserted into a PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google slideshow for live assessment during a lesson. PollEverywhere is a popular aid for presentations of any type. It makes getting instant feedback from a group easy and visually appealing. Let's go make one. Once you've created a teacher account and sign in, this is what you'll see. This is the desktop view. To create a poll, you click this. And since we wanted to test our students' memory following Ty's video, my subject is English, so I'm going to read a Robert Frost poem and then collect student feedback based on what they remember from the poem. For example, you can use a word cloud. I'll type in my question and then I'll show you what it looks like. Once you have your question, you then click Create. To publish your poll, you click this button, and then students will be able to sign in to your poll and record their responses. We'll go ahead and get our phones out and we'll show you what responses look like. As we send our responses, you can see them appear in the word cloud. This is a great visual tool to get live feedback from your students.
For our lesson, we chose the high school grade level, and we've listed the standards here. We each chose one for our content area. For the assessment, we're going to use the PollEverywhere app to have students answer a few questions at the end of each content area lesson. For the procedure, we're going to start by showing the memory video and then have short lessons for each content area, followed by the PollEverywhere app for assessment to finish up the lesson. How this content meets learning needs of diverse students and supports students. Technology is a great tool for teachers to get students involved in the classroom. It also makes it easy to accommodate students who need it. TeacherTube has a mobile-friendly site so students that cannot see well can view the video on their own device. This is just one example. PollEverywhere is an app available on both mobile devices and computers, so it's easy for students to access. If a student does not have access to a device, it will be easy for students to work with someone who does. This is a good example of having a cooperative classroom. We have found that TeacherTube and PollEverywhere are great for all content areas, as you have seen through our mini lesson plans in 4 different content areas.